Hey everyone, this is Angie at Stampin' with Amore. I am an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and today I am sharing this friend card, or it could be for a loved one. It says, "The world needs more of you." I love this card, and I'm sharing a technique with you today. And I've never seen this before, and I was going through some YouTube channels, and I actually saw how to do this from there, and it's super pretty. Can you see the leaves on here? And I'm going to use a very different tool for stamping. You're going to be really surprised. So let's get started with this. The stamp set that I'm using is Free as a Bird, so I'm using the little bird here, I'm using the leaves, and then The World Needs More of You. You can use any of the sentiments on here, they're all really pretty. And then I'm also using our stitched rectangle stitch dies, which are these, and I'm telling you, these will make your life so much easier. And I'm cutting one of these large ones, which the inside measures about, I want to say almost 2 7/8 about, and then the inside of this one is about 2 1/8. So there's two different sizes here. These are the ones that I'm using for this card. You're going to need a card base, and this is the Thick Whisper White. That's 5.5 by 4 1/4, your basic card. And then I went ahead and already cut out a mint macaron piece with the larger one, and the smaller one is just Whisper White. Alright, so this is going to be the trick. We're going to use the leaf first, and we're using Versamark. And I've never seen this, so I hope it's new to you so you can have fun trying this, because it's really a lot of fun to do. I really started playing with it a lot, and so we are going to just start stamping in our Versamark and just randomly stamp your leaves. And I usually do them all different ways so that it looks more natural. And we're going to do one at a time because we don't want the Versamark to dry completely for this technique. So let's just do one more little one there, and I think that's going to be it. And then cover up your Versamark so it don't dry out. Now here's the little trick. I went to the Dollar Tree and I bought this. Yes, it's makeup. It is eye makeup, and it was $1. So you're not investing a lot of money. And what works best is if this is has the sparkle in it, they're glitter. And what you're going to do is you're just going to start rubbing it across your Versamark. It's going to pick up that makeup, and it gives it a real shimmer, so that the eye color needs to have shimmer in it. And for $1, you can't beat all the colors that came in this. And you're just going to go over it, each one, and just be real liberal with it. And then I'm just going to tap it off, the excess, and look how pretty that is. It's super pretty, it's shiny, and it's shimmery. And then you're gonna really see it now on this Whisper White. I need to get because I kind of made a mess over here. You can use either this little applicator, or you can use a little brush. The brush works really well. I used a brush on the last one. Alright, so this time we're gonna do it again. Make sure your Versamark is pretty wet and juicy, because you want it to stay wet. Now the white's a little hard to see, so I'm going to have to kind of eyeball it on my own here, because I know you're probably not going to be able to see it. But you're going to see it as soon as I start putting that little makeup on there. So we're going to do it again, and we're going to start rubbing it lightly, and look at that. It really stands out on the white. And look how it comes alive. This is so fun to see it come to alive, and it makes this so pretty, the background. And I posted this card on Instagram like last week, and if you're not following me on Instagram, it's Stamping with Amore. So go and follow me there, because I do post things that I don't post on my blog or on my YouTube channel. Alright, so look at that. We're going to just shake that off. And look at that. Is that not pretty? And just think of the colors that you can use. Alright, so let's go ahead. And another thing you can do is, like on this one I could see a little bit around there. You can just wipe this off and you'll get all that little extra stuff off. You can see it came off on here, but look how pretty. Alright, so let's put this card together. So we are going to attach this macaron piece first. Oops, that's my empty one. And we're going to put this one here. And then this one, we're going to use some dimensionals. And if you're sending it in the mail, make sure you put enough dimensionals on there. But I love this little, when I first saw it, I thought, no, that could not possibly work. But it does, and it's so, so pretty. All right, then we're going to put this one here. And then we're going to go ahead and stamp our bird. Let me grab my Whisper White here. And we're going to do that in the Memento Black, because we are going to color it with our light and dark mint macaron. And then I'm going to go ahead and we're going to stamp the sentiment too. And I think I'm going to do this one down here so I can cut that straight. Alright, let's color him in, and I'm just using the light and dark mint macaron to color him in. I'm just going to go over it with the light first. If you haven't tried the blends, you really need to try them. They are so much fun. I don't know what I'd do without them now. And then I'm going to just shade a little bit. And then come back with this one. It's really, really quick and easy. Alright, and I'm going to grab a little pumpkin pie for his beak. And that is it as far as coloring him. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to cut this out free-handed. You can cut it on your trimmer, but I'm just going to cut it by hand here. Hope I get it straight. I think that's good. And then I'll probably speed it up while I cut him out, even though he's super easy to cut out. I know you've seen me cut things out before, so. Okay, so he is all cut out, and he's so cute. I love this little bird. So let's bring our card back in. We're going to use dimensionals again for him. Let's put the dimensionals on here first. And then this one we're just adhering to the bottom. So that's going to go there. And then we'll put him right here. And then last but not least, I'm going to use some of our self-adhesive backed sequins. And we're just going to put a couple on here. Just like that. And that is it. Isn't that a fun technique? I hope you try it because it really amazed me when I first tried it. I didn't realize it was going to work so well and look so pretty. So I hope you enjoyed it. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Hit the bell for notifications each time I upload a new video. I hope you all have a blessed one, and I'll catch you in the next one. See you later. Bye.